your knees hurt, stop doing this. It could be the reason they're getting worse. And what really kills me is that almost everyone does this without realizing it. In fact, I'm doing it right now. But your knees, well, they aren't the real problem. The real problem is your hips. Watch what happens when I take a step like this. You see my knee caving in like this? My hips are doing nothing to properly stabilize my knee. And my knees, well, they take all the stress, and that's how pain starts. Your hips are supposed to control knee alignment like this, but if they're weak, well, boom, your knee's grinding down like this and instant knee pain. So this is how we fix it fast. First, you can sit down on a chair for the first move, and I'll show you a slightly harder variation too. It's called the hip 90-90. Let your hips fall to the outside, letting this one internally rotate and this one externally rotate, and then switch and move to the opposite side, just like this. Now, if this is too easy for you, then what you can do is come down to the ground, bring your hands behind your back, and go ahead and do your hip 90-90s down on the ground, just like this. This will make sure that your hips can glide internally and externally, making sure they have the capability to do what they need to do to stabilize your knees. And move number 2 is holding the bottom position of what we call the drinking bird. So take one step forward, that's your primary foot, one step backwards like this, hinge forward through the hips while keeping a nice flat back, and put your hands or your fingertips on a surface in front of you. From there, shift your weight to this leg and imagine that you're pushing your leg outward and rotating your knee outward like this. In this position, you should start to feel the muscles on the outside of the hip firing. See if you can hold this for around 60 seconds and you'll wake up and strengthen your hip external rotators, which help your knee stabilize side to side like this. Feel that difference already? That's your body moving the way it was designed to. This is exactly what we do inside WeShape. We teach you how to move your body better so you can feel better in your body, giving you personalized routines that last as little as 10 minutes. If you just realized that your knees really need this, well, then I'll show you how to make this a part of your daily routine. Just click the link below and you can try it for free. Now go try those 2 moves because your knees will thank you.